Hi dear parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm going to show you how to find the slope of a line. You can see over here that this is my XY coordinate graph. There is a beautiful blue line cutting through, and I need to find the slope of it. In other words, how sharp is the incline of that line. To do this, well, there's two different ways I can do this. I'm going to first do the basic way. It's something called rise over run. So, by the way, the slope is represented by the letter m, and in order to find the slope, usually we need to find the number called the rise and the number called run. Just for a brief summary, rise represents numbers which are going up or down on the graph. If it's going up, that's a positive rise. If it's going down, that's a negative rise. Run, on the other hand, goes two directions, left and right. Okay? Well, I said the other way around, sorry. This is your left side and this is the right side. There we go, okay? If it's going to the right, it's positive. If it's going to the left, that's a negative, okay? Now, in order to do rise over run, we need to pick two coordinate points. Actually, even before that, take a look at this graph. I always tell the kids, look at the left side of this graph. This is all the left side, and this is the right side. Ask yourself this question. The line, the blue line right here, is it starting from the top or on the bottom? It's from the top. And yet when it goes from the left to the right, is it going to the top or to the bottom? It's going to the bottom. So if you're going from the top to the bottom, you can automatically assume and make a good guess that the slope is going to be a negative because its slide is going down. So with that in mind, let's see if we can find some two coordinate points we can use. Let's use a different color. I like orange. Let's use this one, this coordinate point right here. Now, you need to know the coordinate points. What is this coordinate point? So start with the x value. Looks like it's square right in the middle right here. So that's a 0. That's the x value. And now, what floor did it go up to? It went to the second floor. And that's your y value right there. Okay, you see that? 0, 2. For me to go from here, let me pick this point now, right over here. And I'm going to give you the coordinate point of this as well. It's important to know, it's good to know in fact. What is the x value of this area? Well, it looks like I'm taking elevator number 1, so that's 1. And what floor am I on? I'm on the ground floor, which is a 0, so the y value is a 0. You guys see that? That is how you do coordinates, okay? Now, let's find out. Let's see, how did I go? Let's use rise over run. Let's use green. For me to go from 0, 2 to 1, 0, I have to go down. You can see my green. Can you see it? I'm going down. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. How many? 0, 1, 2. I went down 2 flights of stairs, or in this case an elevator, which I'm going down. That means I have to put a minus. Minus 2. You see that? Because I'm going down. And now, in order to reach this point, I have to go to the right. So, and how many jumps to the right? Only 1 jump. Because this is 0, this is 1. And there we go. Done. That's how we find the slope. So the slope of this line is minus 2 over 1. Now, you can do minus 2 over 1, that just means minus 2. But sometimes on some exams, they want the actual rise over run, both numbers. So this would be the best way to answer that question, okay? And this is how you find the slope of a line using rise over run. Thank you.